Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to link your YouTube to your Roblox. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your YouTube account. So right here on my YouTube, this is the home page of my YouTube account. The next thing I have to do is to click on three dots found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on share option, copy the link, head straight to my Roblox account. So right here on my Roblox account, this is the home page. I just have to click on the more option here, click on settings, click on account info, scroll gently. So right here on the YouTube option under social network, paste it. Make sure that your visibility is for everyone, then you click on the save option. So guys, that's it on how to connect or link your YouTube to Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.